Hey everyone, welcome back to Ormsby Farm. My name is Cayce. So Thanksgiving is around the corner, and Wednesday, Mom showed you one of her favorite recipes with some pumpkin cupcakes to get ready for family coming over. And today I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes, which is actually in our volume 1 of our cookbook, and that is air fryer sausage balls. They're so delicious. So if you're interested in learning how to make it, it's going to be a very quick video, y'all. Then come along and join. Make sure you hit the thumbs up.
I'm coming home.
Alrighty, y'all, I told you this is going to be a super fast, quick video, super easy. What you want to do is you want 1 pound of ground sausage. Now, if you grow your own pork, then this is going to be even more super delicious. We don't yet. And you're going to add in 1 cup of Bisquick. Now, in the recipe on the cookbook, it said if you want to do keto version, which this would be a keto version, if you use a 1/2 cup of almond flour. We're doing fat girl style, so I'm going to put the Bisquick in. 1 cup of shredded cheese. We shredded some cheese. And now you're just going to mix all of this until it's fully combined. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, it's all fully combined. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get out a baking sheet and I am going to roll them into little balls, and then we'll talk from there. Alright, when you're rolling your balls, it really just depends on the size of sausage balls that you want. I usually do about this size. And we're just going to put it on a baking sheet because it's going to go in the freezer for about 2 hours to harden up, and I'll tell you why once we get all of the balls rolled. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put these in the freezer for about an hour. I really like 1 hour to 2 hours. And then you can put them in a Ziploc bag and take out as many as you need. But we're going to taste a couple. So when that hour is up, I'm going to bring you back and we're going to throw them in the air fryer. Alrighty, so to prep your air fryer for you want to spray down your air fryer. And then I'm going to do a couple in here, and then we're going to put it on. And the point of freezing is just so they don't spread. We're just going to make sure that these don't spread, because I have no patience, because I am ready to eat sausage balls. Because they're my favorite. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it up to 400. For 10 minutes. 410 minutes. We'll see you then. Yum! Now I'm going to let them sit on top of it, and then we'll try them. Alrighty, y'all, so we have to try. It's so good. It's hot. Y'all, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell icon so you know anytime new content drop to our channel. Follow us on social media at Instagram and Facebook. And until next video, be blessed. I'm going to go back to eating.
I'm coming home.